Hello everyone! I'm here to share some more photo folios with you. We've got style 2 and style 3 to share. This is style 1 that I showed you all the very first time I talked about the National Scrapbook Day Photo Folios event. So I am releasing the 6 folios one at a time, every other day or every couple of days leading up to the event. But I'm going to show you two today because tomorrow is Easter and I will not be doing a video. So let's get to it. So photo folios, guys, this is the icon you want to look for. If you want to pick up this tutorial on how to make these, in the tutorial, once again, you get all 6 designs and you also get the storage box. So, and that's on my website. So let's show you style 2. Style 2 is what I'm calling a matchbook folio. All right, and it opens up just like a traditional matchbook. And this is what you get at the very top. And the beauty about having this craft text spine is that we can go ahead and fold it back without this completely coming apart. This is a magnetized little tag that you can personalize in case you're giving this as a gift. So that does that. You've got a large pocket right here. And all of the inserts that go into these pockets are going to be in the videos that you get when you purchase this tutorial. So when you purchase this tutorial, you will get all of the how-to videos on how to make this. All right. And this opens up like this, but better yet, it actually comes out. All right, so you've got 2 little wallets here with a waterfall assembly for photographs, pocket on this side, pocket on this side, pocket in here. Just really fun for 4x6 photographs, guys. Just a different way to assemble a pocket here for you all. And I just really love how that turned out, where these flaps, if you will, actually pull out, and I love that. So that's the top of the folio. I forgot to talk about the inside, the outside for just a moment. Right here, we've got a really nice area here for decorating, and again, all of the decorating will be shown on the videos. With a slip pocket here, and this is my new slip pocket where we are using punches to create our slip pocket. So I use this one by Stampin' Up. It's I think it's called a window punch. I'm not quite sure, but it will be in the supply list in the tutorial, okay? The name of that punch. So you've got a wonderful slip pocket here and here, so we can do this up. In case you're wondering, this is a Jillibean soup collection called Birthday Bisque. And then for the matchbook portion of the folio, you get, I did 4 little pockets here. You can do 6, 7, how many you want to do. This is very expandable and super easy to expand if you want to. I did 4 large photo mats, and these photo mats are just exactly that, for photographs and journaling, and you can arrange your photographs as you see here. You can use the fabulous, super popular cards that you use in your pocket scrapbooking, such as Project Life and all of the other ones that are around. Me and My Big Ideas has some wonderful ones that I absolutely love. It's Cards in an not Cards in an Instant, excuse me. That's another one of their brand. It's for their pocket pages. I love these. They're fantastic. We Are Memory Keepers also has these cards. Again, all of the companies, guys, are doing a couple of sheets with these cards, and I love it with the journaling cards. So this is what these look like. All right, and these will all be done up for you with the way how I arrange them, and you guys can choose to arrange them the same way or arrange them however you'd like. So this is the matchbook style photo folio, and it's just really fabulous. They're all the same size, okay? So this one may look a little bigger because it's got this expandability going on over here. So this is the side loading envelope folio. All right, and this one is featuring the two paper collections, Fancy Pants, Make a Wish, and a Hansel and Ruby paper collection as well. And again, all of this information will be in the tutorial. So this one is really wonderful, guys. So it opens up like this. As you can see, is the side loading photo folio, the envelope side loading photo folio. So it opens up like this. Giant size pocket. Wait till you guys see the inserts that go in here. You're going to just fall in love all over again. So we've got two pockets right here, and these are done up already for you. Those flip over, and it's a policy style envelope, but done up with the cards, so it just looks really, really structured and just wonderful. Clear defining areas for photographs, and I love that. Large pockets where you can fit an actual photo mat, some memorabilia. Over here, we've got a beautiful pouch size pocket here for some more opportunities for a layout. Over here, this is where I get really creative, and I completely just broke up this page and created a series of pockets here for you all. Some are sized to fit tags, some are sized to fit 4x6s, some are sized to fit 3x4s. But the beauty about these pages is that you have multiple pockets, but you have one pocket layer. This is what I call my stacked pocket, and it's just a really good assembly and construction. So you have just no bulk there. All of these pockets and no bulk. So it's a really great way to assemble pockets. So you want to most definitely learn this method. So these pockets look like they're 3x4s, but they fit. Look at that. Full 6x6 photograph. All right, full 4x6 photograph. This one does as well. These are for these specific tags right here, the number 8 tags, and it's just really fun on this page. Over here, the same idea for the 4x6 photographs, a really large pocket here, and again, these pockets go all the way down. So when you put your photo mat in there, you're going to be able to fit 2 or 3 photographs on each photo mat. So it's really, really great for pictures. Very picture friendly. And then on the other side, so these are for your portrait style photographs. And then on the other side, I give you the opportunity for your landscape style photographs. Once again, allowing you to bring that mat, the photo mat, all the way down so you can house, I mean, probably just right here alone, you can have like, I don't know, 12 pictures maybe. I don't know, I haven't done the math, but a lot of pictures, I promise you. And then it repeats itself with the double pocket over here, a policy style pocket. All right, and picture journaling, just really cute, really, really, really cute, guys. And then the large pouch style pocket over here. So this is the Foto Folios envelope, the envelope folio side loading, okay? And this is style number 3. So if you're picking up kits in my shop, if you want this specific one, you want to pick up the kits for style 3. If you want this one, it's the kit for style 2, which is the Matchbook. If you want this one's called the Folio style 1. If you want the kit for this, then you want to look for style 1 folio. So I will be revealing or releasing some more folios next week, guys, leading all the way up to National Scrapbook Day. It's a 2-day event. May 2nd is my day. May 3rd, Kathryn's going to be doing her own set of folios. So that's going to be May 3rd on the Kathryn Scraps classroom channel. All you have to do is go to her website, kathrynscraps.com, and you will see it all there. So be sure to join me for mine, May 2nd, 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. Pick up your tutorial. It's going to be a super, super fun time. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time.